Welcome to Ideal Indian School Online Learning Class 3 Subject Work Experience and presentation done by Ms. Mumtaz Salim. We are going to learn lesson number 1 Computer and its working. The learning objectives are to understand a computer system, working of a computer, and characteristics of computer. Now, let's start. Computer system. A computer is called a computer system as it is not a single machine but a combination of hardware and software components that work together to perform a task. Here you can see the label diagram of a computer system in which monitor is output device, keyboard and mouse are input device, and CPU is the only processing unit, and speakers, printer are output device. Now tell me kids, what is a computer? In your grade 2 and grade 1 we have learned computer is an electronic device. Now we will add some more components to this definition. Okay. Now let's see what is a computer. Computer is an electronic device which receives the data, that is the input, from the user, manipulates it according to the specified rules, that is process, and converts it into information or result, that is output. So before moving ahead, you should understand some basic terms of computer. So let's watch a video. This is monitor. Now what is this? This is CPU. Now what is this? This is, yes, right, keyboard. Now this is mouse. Yes, very good. Now how does a computer work? There are three processes: input, process, output, that is IPO cycle. Now let's see this in detail.
Learning about the computer system. Hello friends! You know about the different parts of computer and the way they work? All the parts of the computer together make a computer system. A computer system has three main parts: the input unit, the processing unit, the output unit. The input unit. The input unit consists of input devices such as the keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, web camera. The input devices give data and instructions to the computer system. Now the question is, what is the data and information? In computer studies, data means words, numbers, sounds or picture which are entered as input in the computer. Information means the output that is displayed after the data has been processed. The processing unit. The computer system carries out all its work in the central processing unit, that is called CPU. The output unit. The output unit consists of output devices like the monitor, printer, and speaker. The output devices shows the result of processing which is known as information. All the parts of the computer which are attached to CPU by wires are known as peripherals. Working of the computer. The computer works on the basis of input, process and output cycle, or in short, the IPO cycle. Following are simple examples. Input. Data 4261. Instruction: add the numbers. Process: 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 1. The numbers are being added. Output: 13. One more example. Input. Data: Kavita, Pinky, Benu, Anita, Sonia, Tanvi. Instruction: arrange the names in alphabetical order. Process: the names are getting arranged in alphabetical order. Output: Anita, Benu, Kavita, Pinky, Sonia and Tanvi.
Characteristics of computer. A computer is a powerful and useful machine. It is used in many different fields because of the characteristics it possesses. So let us have a look at some of these characteristics.
Characteristics of the computer. Speed. A computer works very fast. It can do billions of sums very quickly. It saves us a lot of time. Accuracy. When we work, we can sometimes become careless and make mistake. But a computer does not make mistake. It is very accurate and reliable. Diligence. Steady work. If we have to do the same work again and again, we lose interest in the work. But a computer can do some task again and again. The computer never gets tired or bored. Large memory. It takes us a lot of time to memorize certain things. We also forget many things we learn. But a computer has a large memory and can store huge amount of data, word, numbers and pictures. Multifunctional. As shown, we have already seen a computer can do a wide variety of tasks like adding numbers, drawing, pictures, printing letters and playing music.
Now you have to do an activity. You have to draw and color a label diagram of computer. And you have to mark the input, output and processing units. Okay kids? Thank you and stay safe.